Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my very first video, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of creating amazing AI-generated images using Leonardo AI. Let's dive in. First, open your favorite browser. I prefer using Brave for its privacy features. Once you're in, type Leonardo AI into the search bar and click on the first link. Now that you're in the interface, click on Create Account and log in with your Gmail credentials. Once you've completed the login, head over to the image generation section. Here's where the magic happens. Type in the word or phrase you want to turn into an image. You can see the result right away. You can even customize your masterpiece by adjusting the width, height, and other settings. Feel free to repeat this process for different words or phrases. Each time you'll get a unique image. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, simply download it and you're done. And there you have it, folks. Creating stunning AI images with Leonardo AI is as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy creating.